What's up, guys, and thank you so much for tuning into another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now, guys, in this video I have something super special in store for you. We have a natural hair company who just released a new collection. Guys, if you haven't already heard, there's a natural hair company who is brand new to the market, and it's called Momo's Natural Hair Really Rocks. I'm sure you probably already heard about her, and her collection just released a few short days ago. I'm so happy and so honored that Momo herself sent me these products to try out, and so I can review them for you guys so you can get the inside scoop. Let's take a look at what she sent. Alright guys, so I did open it. I have a huge package here. And again, this is the Momo's Natural Hair Really Rocks. And when I first opened the package, this is what came out. And then on the inside, it just is a little handwritten note that says, "Thanks so much for your love and support, Momo." So guys, I'm so excited to be trying this. I love handwritten letters. I really think that natural hair companies and brands just go the extra mile when you put a little card in there for us, and it makes us feel super special. So thank you so much for my card, and I will certainly be saving it. Now let's hop into what she actually sent me. Ooh, are you guys ready? I received the full collection of Momo's Natural Hair Really Rocks. This box is stuffed to the brim. So the first thing I'm pulling out is the anti-itch and growth serum. Now this is just a citrus blend. The first ingredients that I'm saying is avocado oil, so I already know my hair is going to love it. It's not only a light oil, but it's a moisturizing oil. There's also jojoba oil in here, rice bran, sunflower, which I absolutely love. There's olive oil, there's grapeseed oil, there's safflower oil, there's rosemary. It smells really good, guys. It has a super light fragrance to it, so I'm really going to be happy to try this out on my hair and see if my hair likes it. But I certainly will be using this on my scalp, my shaft, and my ends. And this is the anti-itch and growth oil. I was also sent, this is the Island Breeze Control, and it is fragrance free. It just says to apply it to edges with fingertips using a toothbrush or edge brush. So this is the edge control that's in her collection. Guys, this is pretty dope. It certainly is fragrance free. I'm definitely not getting no type of scents. Yeah, I'm not smelling anything once I open it, which is pretty cool. I'm sure her collection is already packed with natural fragrances and scents. The next thing that I am pulling out is the this says Gloriana's pomade. I'm going to do some research for you guys to see where she got this name from, but I think that she was inspired by her grandmother. I know that's where she got her nickname from. Her name is Marina, but everyone calls her Mo or Momo. Gloriana's pomade, and it's a firm hold, and it does say that this is for relaxed, textured, and permed hair. And I only tried pomade like once in my life, so I'm definitely excited to see if this also works. Now the directions say for this is just to gently apply using your fingertips or your palms into your hair and scalp, so this can be used all over. Oh, and it smells really good. It reminds me of like 7-Up. I'm not gonna lie, it smells like soda. It reminds me maybe of the like pineapple soda or like 7-Up. It smells good. I like it. The next thing whoa baby. So the next thing I picked up is the Smooth as Silk Co-Wash, and this has a floral fragrance. Ooh, this smells good. Oh my goodness. I see why she didn't put fragrance in her edge control, because there's enough in here. This is very in your face, and I always get compliments after I wash my hair, and they say, "Are you wearing perfume?" I say, "No, it's my hair products." So this is what I was sent as well. So the directions say, dip a heaping amount of your co-wash into your hands and massage the cleanser / conditioner into your scalp with your fingertips, not nails. And she made that very clear. Create friction to really rid the scalp of any impurities. Rinse thoroughly with cold water. I like that this also says that this can be used as a pre-poo, a co-wash, a conditioner, a detangling conditioner, a men's beard softener, or a deep conditioner. There's a lot of uses for this, guys. I don't even know where I'm going to start. Okay, so I'm picking up now Ooh, this is the Soft Jelly Curls Mango, and this is for straight, wavy, curly, coily, or coarse hair. So it does sound like this product is for all hair types. It's a soft jelly curl, so I'm assuming it's some type of gel that's a soft hold. Alright, so this says it provides superior definition and manageability while leaving the hair moisturized. This formula fights against frizz and dryness, gives your hairstyle a medium hold, and is perfect for defining curls. So I might be dipping in this one today, but I have not made my mind up just yet. There's way too many products in here for me to think what I'm going to be doing or using. So the next product is the Juice and Berries Curly Custard, and this is papaya and mango. It's for wavy, curly, and coily coarse hair. So the instructions say, section hair and apply generously to damp, moisturized hair after you have already applied the anti-itch and growth oil or Gloriana's pomade. Use Demon brush to detangle and curl hair as needed. Alright, so this is our curling custard. Let's give it a smell. I'm excited. It smells like juices and berries. Wow, guys, and look at that. It's all jiggly in there. Oh, snap. I love me some thick products now. It smells really good, and I love how jiggly it is. So we'll see if my hair like it. You know you're gonna get all the tea today. This is the wow, let me slow down real quick. This is the this is the Nutty Butter Twisting Cream. The Nutty Butter oh gosh, I feel like that's a tongue twister. This is the Nutty Butter Twisting Cream. It's creamy, nutty, and sweet. It's for wavy, curly, coily, coarse hair. So pretty much for us naturals. Now this says the smooth and creamy hair moisturizer is designed to provide the ultimate moisture for the drenched of hair. Can be used daily or as needed. Make your hair manageable and aids in hair growth. Great for curly hairstyles and casual updos. Ooh. Can be used on damp or dry hair. And this is just a twisting cream. So again, this is creamy, nutty, and sweet. Oh my goodness, this is definitely my favorite smell so far. This one and the Juice and Berries Curling Custard. I think I know what I'm going to be using today. This is such a strong, sweet, literally sweet, creamy, and nutty smell. That's exactly how it smells. It smells so good. You can tell that she took her time on these products, man. This smells really good, and this is, again, Momo's Natural Hair Really Rocks. So, guys, again, these are all the products right here. I am so excited to dive in. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just kind of look through the products, think about a hairstyle I want to do, and start just grabbing stuff. I do need to wash my hair. I just took it out of a protective style, so it needs a good wash, and then I'm going to be using some of her products as well. So let's see what's what. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait a minute. Okay, guys, I'm going to cut the video right here because I'm going to do a part 2 to this video where I actually go in and use the hair products, and I cannot wait for you guys to see them. But I just don't want this video to get too long, so I am going to cut it right here for you guys. I hope you guys had a wonderful time looking at all the products that I was sent. Hopefully I'm encouraging you guys to go out and get these hair products. I do have a discount code for you guys. If you cannot wait for the second video, go out and get the hair products right now. It's 20% off if you use my discount code, and I'll have it tagged below, so go ahead and shop away. But I am going to cut the video right here. Make sure you tune into part 2 when I actually use the products on my hair in the shower, styling my hair, giving my final thoughts, my final reviews. All that jazz is coming soon. But in this video, you guys just got to see the full collection. Guys, if you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and give this a good thumbs up and hit the bell so you can be notified when I post for part 2, which will be coming later this week. Are you guys excited? Let's rock and roll. My name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.